Hi, Josh. It's Miss Jen. Are you ready for school? I know how much you love the Steve and Maggie videos, so let's watch for a little bit. Are you ready? Tell me yes. Oh, it stopped. What should we do? Do we want to watch more video? You do want more Steve and Maggie? Okay, let's do some work first. Josh, here's two words. Can you point to the word that says boy? Which word says boy? Touch it. Wow, Josh, you're right. This word says boy. Did you touch it? Did you find the boy? Let's listen to the video. Uh-oh, Josh. It stopped. That means we need to do some work. I'm going to show you two more cards. You ready? Let me get them so you can see them. Here they are, two numbers. Can you touch the number 8? Which one is a number 8? Make sure you touch it. Yes, the number 8. Let's watch some more. Uh-oh, Josh. Time to do some more work. Are you ready? Here's two more words for you. Here we go. Which word says yes? Find the word that says yes. Did you touch it? Yes, this word says yes. Good job, Josh. Oh, time to do more work, Josh. And then we can watch more of the video, okay? Are you ready? Here's two more words for you. Can you find the word that says see? Which word says see? Touch it. This word says see.
What was that? I think there's something in the sky here. Halloween is spooky, it's a very scary time. Halloween is spooky, I've got monsters on my mind. What's in here? What can you see? Can you see?
Josh, what is he gonna see? I don't know. Do you want to do more play? You want to watch it some more? You want more video? Okay, let's do some work first. Here's two numbers. Which number is 5? Touch number 5. Did you find it? Yes, that's number 5. Let's see some more of the video. You're working so hard, Josh. It makes me happy. Uh-oh. What happened? Did Steve fall down? That's so funny. Okay, we're going to do one more and then we're finished. Let's do a tricky one. I'm going to find some words for you and I want you to say the word. I want to hear you say it. What's this word say? Use your voice. Use your voice. I want to hear you say it. What is it? Mom. Let me hear you. Mom. Good. Let's do one other word. What's this word say? It says, let me hear you. Up. Up. You say it. I want to hear you say it. Say it so I can hear you. Say up. Up. Good job, Josh. We're finished for the day.
Listen, it sounds like Maggie. Oh, Maggie, is that you? Oh, don't scare me anymore. Halloween is spooky enough, isn't it, boys and girls?
Okay, Josh, we're going to say bye to Steve and Maggie now because it is all over. Steve and Maggie is finished. But right now, you get to do some more work with Mom, and then you could probably watch more of Steve and Maggie. Okay, so do your work, and I'll talk to you later. Bye, Josh.